Hello everyone, this is Lakshman. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's session, I am going to share you how to learn Java from scratch. So many of the beginners they do not have any guidance how to start to learn Java and where we are using Java and where Java programming language used in real-time applications. Many of the candidates they are just following their friends only. Friends learning some particular language and that candidate also choosing the same programming language only. Okay, he is not questioning himself whether this programming language is suitable to me or not. Even he doesn't have any idea a particular programming language having more demand in future or not. If I learn this programming language, can I get job or not? This programming language is suitable for my mindset or not? Can I able to survive with this programming language? So you have to question yourself before choosing the programming language. Okay, so yeah, there is no doubt Java is one of the most demanding technology and most used programming language to develop web applications, mobile applications and enterprise applications and game applications. So then what is exactly Java? So Java is an object-oriented programming language to develop any type of applications. Then you may have doubt where we use Java exactly. So we use Java for develop desktop applications, okay, web-based applications, enterprise applications, gaming applications, for big data purpose, okay, and also IoT projects. Okay, so everywhere Java is everywhere. So now let us see what are the prerequisites to learn Java. So many beginners who want to start their course as a Java developer, they have doubt, do I need any prerequisite to learn Java? So I can say a few words about this point. If you are from IT background student, then you can directly join Java course. Okay, suppose if you are from non-IT background, then you have to know some basic programming knowledge, some basic syntax knowledge. Then it is better to join any C++ or C program before join Java programming language. Now we will see what is exactly the process to learn Java from scratch during the course, how I follow the course content and how I have to do practice. Okay, so we will see all the things. Okay, so I already said the prerequisite to learn Java. If you are from computer science background, then you can directly join Java programming language, no matter. Okay, so if you are from non-IT background, suppose you are BCom or MBA or something else, then you can join any C++ or C program. Then it will be easy to understand Java programming. Okay, so after that, then where we use Java? I already told you that Java is everywhere. By using Java, we can develop desktop applications, mobile applications, web applications, okay, and enterprise applications, gaming applications. Everywhere Java is exist. Okay, first you have to choose to learn Java a good training center or good trainer. At the same time, you have to choose one website also. So I highly recommend you, if you are absolutely beginner, then Java T-Point website is very helpful to you. Okay, at the same time, and you follow some books as well. I recommend you some books for beginners, absolute beginners, to understand the theoretical concepts. That is nothing but Core Java Black Book, that is written by Nageswar Rao. After understanding some concepts, you can also follow another book like Cathay Syria. Okay, so you have to follow these things, initial stages. Whenever you enter into the programs, don't practice directly in the any IDEs like Eclipse, NetBeans. Okay, first you have to practice programs on the paper and understand the process, understand the logic line by line. Once you are comfortable with programming, once you understand the logic of where the execution flow, where the flow of the execution is going on, then you're good to go any IDE like Eclipse or NetBeans. So after that one, practice daily 2 hours. Okay, first understand, first read the theoretical part and then do practical. If you have enough time, then practice daily 3 to 4 hours. So after that, you have to divide the topic. Suppose there is a conditional statements are there. Don't do practice all topics in the single day. You have to divide the topic, like one day is if condition, and another day is if else, and another day is like a switch. Okay, you have to divide the topic for a week and practice them. Also, you have to test your skills in online, like there are number of websites are there to test your skills, like Lead Code, Hacker Rank, Hacker Earth. Okay, just to participate in the competitive programming. I highly recommend you, after completion of course, just to participate in any online testing or competitive programming, then you can improve your programming skills as well. So this is the process to learn Java from scratch as a beginner. If you really like this video, please share to your friends also, and also hit the like button. So we'll meet in the next video. So thank you for watching.